ngibone le video eshaqisayo emzimbeni ethusa kakhulu yale ntokazi ebeyinhle kakhulu emtsha wavele waguga nje waba ugogo ona 82-85 years ongaphilanga kahle.
Uneminyaka mingaki manje?
Ngina-31 ngazalwa mhla ka-3 July 95. Ngagula angazi kwenzakalani nami kodwa mangiya laba bamanga bathi umuntu engathandana naye cause umuntu engagcina ngithandana naye uyena kuphela engimaziyo. And mabesho bathi lento engayithatha kulo muntu lo umuthi babemlokhu nje ngawo akusiwona umuthi wala umuthi abawulanda emazweni. So nami ngangithi move on ngiqale relationship nomuntu ngoba naye ethi ufuna ukuqala phansi impilo kodwa ngangazi ukuthi yena ungihambela amanga kanti ukhona athandana naye futhi umuntu wakhe wayemcuphile. Ngize ngazi noma iqiniso ngempela noma kanjani because lokho ke ukuthi ukugula ilumbo leli enginalo akuthatha kumuntu wesilisa kodwa ke kwakungena kwami ukugula ke ngaze ngaba nje angikhona ukusizakala kubantu besizulu bahambile inqwaba abanye bathi ngangena umuntu omdala isinye somuntu omdala osekhulile abanye bathi moya nakho ukuthwetshulwa lokhu bayakubani ukuthi ngathi sisilwane kodwa futhi akekho khonayo ukungisiza.
Izimo engijwayele ukuhlangana nazo ezingekho mnandi. Abantu banamavo, people have many thoughts about it. Abanye bathi into zabantu, abanye bathi it's a medical condition. People have got mixed feelings and options about it. The spiritual world exists. Some of the conditions are medical, some are spiritual. Ezinye yi-handwork, yizandla zabantu. Njengesimo saka mama uMoyo, naye weza akulesimo esibuhlungu kakhulu esake yonke into ene kaningi moya kodokotela bazothatha lesimo basinikeze igama lesilungu nese science. Ezinye azikhoneki ukuthi zingacazululeka. Kodwa ke mawufunda encwadini yamakhosi 2 Kings chapter 5 from verse 1 kunendoda enesifo sochoko inyama iwaphansi sithelela kungena solution kuleyo simo. Umuntu wayesebenzela this man leyo ndoda wayinamandla ayi-captain yezimpi zaseSyria kodwa lesimo sasihlule yonke indlela. Le nceku yale ndoda incekukazi yale ndoda this warrior nama advise ukuthi kukhona umprofeti eIsrael, the prophet Elisha, through the power kaNkulunkulu ngamandla kaNkulunkulu angasinqoba lesimo, angasishintsha lesimo. Ngempela umprofeti uElisha wamnika umyalezo ukuthi angene emfuleni 7 times isikhumba sakhe sizophila ngokulalela izwi lomprofeti elivela kuNkulunkulu. Isimo sakhe sashintsha. Unaso nawe isimo esixakile ozame zonke indlela njengalo mama njengomama Moyo uNkulunkulu ungcobile ngesiphiwo noqobo lokukhulula abantu emakhamandeleni kaSathane. ngangijoyina kulo hambo lokuvuka from ashes to glory. Idinga abantu abayi-1770 7 abanezimo ezinomoya bomnyama ezixake yonke into, ngibaholele enkululweni. To join in, ungangi-WhatsAppela 065-842-2074 or ufonele office lami ku 010-023-1621. uNkulunkulu akahlulwa ulutho. God bless you.
Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So that was, of course, Prophet Mboro offering his services of deliverance for the 31-year-old lady who looks very much older. Now, she has been trending for over 2 weeks now after going on a certain podcast where she told people about her medical condition. First, people thought that it was just, witchcraft, as it was reported by blogs. Or even though this seems like a medical condition, witches and warlocks, basically the kingdom of darkness, they are able to make something look like a physical thing, even though it may be spiritual. They're able to bewitch you and give it a name. He gave an example of a certain lady that he, of course, helped with the assistance of the Holy Spirit, the assistance of God in delivering her after we saw her legs swollen for years. And that leg was actually given a medical condition, and we do know how they operate, he said. And now that lady, with the help of the Holy Spirit, got delivered. He offers his services and says that this lady should definitely reach out to him, as he says that he is willing to assist. He says that not him, but God will assist, as he believes that some things are spiritual, and he urges the 31-year-old lady to reach out to Pastor Mboro. You guys, now I've seen most of his followers under the comment section saying that Mboro has helped a lot of people. They were saying that this lady better reach out to Mboro, as he is a true man of God who will heal that lady, who will assist that lady, of course, with the Holy Spirit. He says it's not his power, it's not his power, but the power of God, the power of Jesus Christ, the power of the Holy Spirit, that he is given the gift of deliverance. Guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. May the good Lord bless you all. Bye.